He's eating stuff. What the heck? What is he eating? What the heck? Okay, he's probably eating tiny pieces on the ground. What the heck? Because we don't really see boats here, but I don't know where this boat came from. It just randomly came here. Oh shoot! Oh my! Oh shoot! It's coming from the car. No, almost. No, seagull. Oh my gosh! It's coming to my. Oh my gosh! It's coming to me. What the heck? Hello, Bodie. Bodie. No, don't run. I need you. You're gonna be my contestant, so you can win $10,000. Oh no, is it gonna go away? Don't go away. Bro. Bodie, you want some food? Bodie, no, it's going away. It's going away. Am I? Wow. Bodie. Oh, I saw the boat. It's just standing there. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what it's doing at all. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Dude. Okay guys, I found it. Oh, I just found it. Just look at that. It's going to the street. It's going to the street. Okay, it's coming back to the parking lot. Oh my god. Wow. This boat is back. I think it's back because I think it's from. Oh!